Kumsi benta ban penpau ya kajing sungongo bat kajing itu kerpang ya ki kam sakri balan no senyang da ki nong song snong hakis nong bat ki dong baper hapo ka 17th North Long constituency ki ba omdan satya ki bala yo I ne ki ba itu ya kajing trai jongki ka 17th North Long implementation committee hapo kajing helam uba Edelbert nongrum kumu MLA ki la penkup buram sakini ki laispa khandrungot ki nong trai ki bajar jar ya kani kajing penkup buram la penlong ha community hall ka dorbas nong jayaus ya bat lom pelon ha kajing ki lang jong ki rang ba stang lambat ki record jong ka executive committee ki long me ki khun samla kan thai bat chin rang haring kat ka jia don lang bat ki noi lam jong ka voice of the people party ka bala pon long menta ka sngi ka khandai tare ku no pra arja ar ki bala sha pan ko buram ha kan ki sngi ki kan thop ya ki to ki bri ki badan ki jing duna ki record man sha ki nong trai mon ngo bha ki samla kan thai bat chin rang ki bala yo ban bat ya ka kerdan PhD kum ju ru ki tu be khun persha ya ka khlam covid ki ba khlam da yo jing siu ni jing itho da sarkar la samru ik krusnam shakin nong rai ki artist bat ki we de habakran hakane ka sngi na kalyang u MLA ulapan pau ka jing sngongo yaw blay ba ula say u ban yo shakri wat la hai bori baret bat u ongru ba ka ne kan dai ka ban sa jing kan mau ha ka khana pateng ka constituency
wana si ni le karpang ha state ya ki noi kai ba ye ki chong ki ba ki ong la per ki mau ki ba the nation builders ta ki bor kemudian ada sangat dijoki sosim ni gelan no ni don lagi position ke bangidon baru lagi pada dulu kadang chief minister dulu kadang governor dulu kadang beber because of our beloved teachers how much they render themselves in sacrificing their own precious life because of their dedication. What the comment of the day, they pay you back in a negative result. They don't have nomor kau bangas semua, kau banding kau top most party kita kena ikai. Panginoong kam banasya lagi ya the service of magigiyay towards the people, towards the society, to our beloved children and beloved students who we are looking ahead that they will be an asset for the state. We don't see both the potential. They are a lack of seriousness, sincerity, and responsibility, not by only the present government, but even the past government. They are not normally therefore, myself, as one of the legislators, and as a representative of this constituency, I'm going to raise this voice. That is high time. We should not be satisfied because of being able ourselves to enroll as contractual. It is a demand of time that the government should come up with a policy with a clear-cut instruction and condition, so that they will not be insecure in their services. Kinoy kay kapag felicity o i-ibulit tang bansa chika mau. Naman day sa sisi ng pagimao. Businessman. Iti yung politics matawag ko po. Klapan tumuan pagkala business. Tiga ipan kapag laban Asia. Nakabanta kalaway yung ilang day. Kipating. Marta daw. Ang kulang ko kapag mga itim mau. May kinoy kay. Kili man daw hakamat to. Hajarok. Nabaday maki. Kiba tawdor. Kiba saydor. Nakabanta kalaway. ki long dia bat ki patik bat kham tam ki banang kha shan islam parthi subha priya jingai bare tuma ni isi banta longkom kadak kejing don banta yakta kejing IT ki jombe hakakam ko bring ko lemo ki sam ki bom tuang ki usupra mana IT tadi nak banta begini ia kejing kadan jom kalawai berkilong di kibantangka asyik ni report berken mau banai borong kerpang yakini ki less ability yang mungkin disability kita kiba don ke jituna hang Tuhan mat ke jongki. You should be proud of what you are, because if compared with this materialistic world, we cannot satisfy. Poverty is not that we cannot provide the poor, the needy. What it is, because we cannot satisfy the greed. Kajinduk kamlay nawan bagi melakukan air pi, kadang-kadang bagi melakukan penbiang yang kita kajing kuat, buat kajing kuat tangi kemana dia? Ngawang pi ada compare, ada lujur, ya kita biang dekat mana, lasuk pi kita berada pada kajing duna, luas semua pi duna, markam duna pun syak kita biang. Marta kini turut nak sibuk berkat, tinggi turut nak mensiam. Dia marta kadang aku dah mensiam. Kata keroi kepar ke basisha. Kubang jus nak menong berbor. Kata genting keroi kepar ke development ke belakang kelah development. Ke development ada ikran nak ketin kasih keroi kepar. Ada satu tu lagi senam. Tu kan pria sikmat nak baik. Hatu Malaysia. Baka doon kecing sisya kapag improve, kapag improve sisya, bawa nang roy, upanang par. Kadi haro ni kanong rem, kapag isuso, balada if our rights has been snatched away, what can we assure?